Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series and today we are going to discuss month till date. So for that we are going to use time intelligence. There are few other videos available from my side where you can find a lot of details around these things. So once you are done with the basics, you can go and watch those videos. So let's create a measure and we are going to use month till date. So let's uh, create a measure first. So and we are going to call it MTD sales. MTD sales, and what we are going to use is dates MTD. So calculate. So there is total MTD, there is dates MTD. We are going to use dates MTD sales, and then we are going to use dates MTD, and we are going to give date. Now to have the time intelligence working for you, you must have a date table, because date table have the continuous dates. We have to give date dot date. So we need to give a continuous date, which is date, and then your date table should be marked as a date table. So let's see, is it marked as date table? Yes. So mark as date table, it should be marked as date table. So these both things are correct. Now we have already created dates MTD, and let's go ahead and plot it against the date. So we take date. We have a lot of data out here. So then we're going to say MTD. Okay, and as you can see, month till date means the data will keep on increasing for the dates. At the end of the month it is going to reset. So when we, so let's sort it on date. We have scrolled a bit. So this is descending sort right now. So in the descending sort, you can see in the month of October we have the first day sales like this, second day sales is this, and third day, and we don't have any sales on fourth day. So let's put sales against it. So in the descending order, let's put the sales and see. So you see that there is no sales, so in the next day it's going to get one more, and you can see that every day it is increasing. So this was 514, and then another 47 and 553. So this is keep on increasing. We can have in ascending order, and then we can also see the increase. So that is another way. Now this month till date which we have created, from the same one we can create the prior month till date. Now to create prior month till date, we are going to use the similar formula, but what we are going to do is we are going to move our date a month back, and we are going to take advantage of dateadd function. And again, dateadd function require continuous dates. So because if the date is not available, or the past 1 month is not available, the dateadd function is not going to go fast. It is also restricted by your calendar. So let's create one more function, which is, let's say, LMTD, last month. We are not talking about last year, last month. LMTD, and then we are going to say calculate, and then sales, and then we are going to say dates MTD, and in dates MTD, before giving the date, we will say dateadd, and now we are going to give date dot date, and here we are going to say -1 and minus month. And now let's put this. So as you can see, we have to go here. Let's make it a bit more bigger in this case. So let's go to 4th September. What is the number? 193. And what is the number on 3rd September? 178. So, and what's the September? 46. Sorry, we have this LMTD number. So we have MTD numbers as 32, 59, 85, 32, 59, 85, then we have 180, then we have 180. Now these numbers, which are LMTD numbers, are our August numbers. So if we go to 1st August, 2nd August and 3rd August, these are 183, 273, sorry, this is 46, 106, 178. So here in LMTD, when the first one come, you will give 46, 106, 178. So this is swap of a 1 month here. So this is 1 month behind. So everything which you are seeing here is a month behind. So this is what we wanted, MTD and last month till date, current month till date, and you can similarly create 2 months behind, 3 months behind, 12 months behind, a year behind. Go ahead and try this function out. Let us know if you have any more questions on this function. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. Thank you.